Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into VOO. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 3rd of October, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest insights. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 3rd of October, 2024, our system has ranked VOO as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.91. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The exchange-traded fund is currently situated in the upper part of a weak rising trend in the short term. This positioning may present a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $529.28 would indicate an accelerated rate of increase. The existing 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 3.9% over the forthcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 2.75% to positive 5.38%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of 32.36% over the next 12 months, with potential returns between 26.04% and 34.63%. This translates to a price range of $657.74 to $672.56 after a year. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline, VOO ETF upgraded to buy candidate. The VOO ETF price declined by 0.189% on the last day, Thursday, the 3rd of October, 2024, dropping from $522.83 to $521.84. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 0.740%, reaching a low of $519.91 and a high of $523.76. The price has experienced ups and downs during this period, resulting in a loss of 0.57% over the last 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day by 886,000 shares, albeit amid falling prices. This could signal an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 4 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $2.06 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $529.91, while the lowest was $375.95. Currently, the price is 1.52%, or $8.07, below the 52-week high of $529.91, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. The Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, commonly referred to as VOO, is currently demonstrating strong performance in a positive market environment. As of the 1st of October, 2024, the S&P 500 recorded its best 9-month performance since 1997, indicating robust investor confidence and potentially significant inflows into ETFs like VOO. With the recent Federal Reserve interest rate cut being the first in 4 years, VOO stands to benefit, as lower rates generally encourage investment in equities, enhancing stock market performance. The ETF market overall has surpassed $10 trillion in assets, highlighting a growing trend toward index fund investing. VOO, which allows investors to track the S&P 500, is positioned favorably against alternatives like QQQ, reflecting a promising outlook as investors seek diversified exposure. Recent performance has seen VOO nearing its all-time high, suggesting sustained investor interest. In the short term, factors such as reduced interest rates and a bullish market trend could further elevate VOO's stock price, attracting more retail and institutional investors. Long-term, continued strength in the S&P 500 paired with the underlying fundamentals of the U.S. economy implies that VOO may have substantial growth potential, making it an appealing option for both new and seasoned investors seeking a steady approach to equity exposure. The following signals have been identified for VOO. The VOO ETF is currently showing a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term moving average. This indicates that the short-term average is above the long-term average, resulting in a general buy signal for the ETF and suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. If the ETF experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $524.81. Conversely, should the ETF decline, it will find support from the long-term average at around $515.76. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal coming from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MASCD. Some negative signals have also been noted, which may affect short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, September 26, 2024, and the ETF has since fallen by 1.11%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume increased amidst falling prices yesterday, which could serve as an early warning. Thus, it is advisable to monitor the ETF more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 6 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 11 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 19 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 33 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 18 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 41 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 215 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $489.91 and $479.94. There is a natural risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline towards the next support level. In this scenario, VOO finds support just below today's level at $489.91. Should this level be breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $479.94 and $475.20. Generally, this exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered to be very low. Over the last day, the exchange-traded fund moved $3.85 between its high and low, which is a change of 0.74%. For the past week, the average daily volatility of the exchange-traded fund has been 0.93%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $522.74. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be an opportune level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, VOO encounters its first support level at $489.91. If this support level holds, it could provide a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $505.39. reflecting a decrease of 3.15%. This exchange-traded fund experiences low daily fluctuations, which translates to a lower risk profile. Additionally, a sell signal has been triggered based on a pivot top identified 5 days ago. Is VOO ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, indicate that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for VOO ETF to perform well in the near term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF from a hold or accumulate recommendation to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 4th of October, we anticipate that VOO will open slightly down by 551 0.10 and begin trading at $521.83. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.